2018 Hyundai Elantra GT. The Hyundai Elantra GT is a beautiful hatchback with European style. Plenty of cargo space and a wide variety of technology top this vehicle off. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, security system, clock, side airbag, power windows, power door locks, tachometer, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, overhead console, center console, power mirrors, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel, power outlets. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.